What's good everyone? Of late we have observed that the first copy sneakers or the fake sneakers market is really growing big time now. And in such a scenario it becomes equally important for all of us to stay alert when we are buying a new pair of kicks. And that's the reason I'm doing this video wherein I'm going to tell you a few smart ways to check if your shoes are actually genuine or not. Let's do this. Hey guys, my name is Amit Pandey. I'm an entrepreneur and a shoe expert, and we are back again with a new episode on this channel, Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing right now because I and my team present highly exciting and valuable videos related to shoes and shoe brands. Today's video is going to elevate your sneaker knowledge to a great extent because in the next few minutes I'm going to tell you very simple tricks which you can use to verify almost any sneakers when you're out to do sneaker shopping. So let's get going. So I have a few shoe boxes here, like this one is Puma, this is Adidas, again a Puma shoe, and there is a Nike Air Force 1. Now let me tell you that all the shoes which I buy are from verified sources or generally from the company verified showroom. So these are 100% originals, but I do understand that that's not the scenario with everyone all the time. And that's the reason I'm doing this video in two parts. Now in this first part, I'm going to show you how I am going to verify these original shoe boxes and the shoes inside these boxes. And in the second part, that video will be coming after 15 to 20 days because I have ordered a fake pair of shoes just to give you a better example so that you understand this concept of differentiating between the real and the fake one. So this one is a Puma shoes which recently Varsha ordered for herself, and these ones were ordered from Amazon, and these ones are the Puma sneakers. So let's see what all details we need to know to see if these are really genuine. So I already know these are genuine. That's the reason I have an idea what all details to check, and that's the way I can help you out. Now if I can ask my camera partner to zoom in on this box, if you see here, there is a product code mentioned here, 36672102. 02 is the color code, guys. 366721 is the article code. The name of the shoe is Basket Platform VS WNS. WNS is women's shoe. So silver, pink, gold is the colorway. This is the color code, and if I have to show you, I will just search this same article code on Google, and it's that simple, guys. So if I have to search this colorway and the article code 366721 -02 or space 02, this will show you exactly the same shoes which is inside the box. So that's the first verification which you do with the article code. So I searched it on the Google and it immediately showed me the images related to these shoes. And if you can see on my screen here, right here, these are the shoes. So that's the first authentication move that you can make, and you can find out if the shoes are genuine. The next is you have to move on to the article code which is written inside a small print inside the shoes, generally sometimes on the shoe tongue also, under the shoe tongue, or sometimes on the side heels also, depends on the shoe patterns. So if you see here, they have mentioned the article code again here, which is by the name ARTNO, article number 366721 space 02, and that's the same number which we saw on the shoe box also. Also, you have to verify if the barcode number, that's 4059505313630, that's on the box, has to be same with the barcode which is printed on the shoes, and that tells you that the shoes box and the shoes inside the box are genuine, so they match. Now let me give you an example from one of the premium shoes also which I have, that is the Nike Air Force 1s. Now the product code, this is CD4366 and the colorway 002. So all I have to do is I have to open the shoe box, and all I have to do is I have to match the details on the box to the barcode which is here. So I will be zooming in so that you can get a good view of this. So I can see clearly it is written CD4366, that's the article code, and the colorway 002. So that's how you can figure out, okay, the article code and the shoe actually matches. Also, if you see the barcode number which starts from 193654, it's same here as well, 193654 times 4, oh sorry, 3 times 4, 6239, and that's the way the barcode number goes, and that shows that it is genuine. Now a lot of people would also feel that why not the fake sellers can do the similar copying and similar ways to cheat the people out there? Well, let me tell you that the barcode systems are really expensive and the scale at which these shoes are manufactured is really huge. So to manufacture a fake shoe in a similar manner is itself a daunting task for a lot of fake resellers, and hence in that case it becomes very difficult to again set up a barcode system or an article code system and do the prints and similarly match the barcodes on the shoes also. It's not really easy, and that's the reason these details which you can verify will actually give you a good idea if your shoes are actually genuine or not. Apart from this, you should always prefer to buy your shoes from reputed sites and authentic retail sellers, because that way your chances of buying genuine shoes are really high. Also, I always buy my shoes either from Adidas, Nike or Puma stores, which are company owned stores, and they sell genuine stuff there. And if it is online buying, then I generally buy it from Myntra, Tata Click or Ajio, which have really good sneaker collection of late. You can also check Veg Non-Veg and Superkicks website in India, which are doing a remarkable job in selling some latest sneakers, and they are really genuine. So you can check out their collection as well. So I hope you guys have understood pretty clearly the art of verifying shoes in quick time. I hope you share this with your friends also to further help them, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go away. I'll be soon coming up with a comparison video between a real shoe and a fake shoes to help you further on this topic. Till then, you guys stay safe and I'll see you very soon in my upcoming video.